This is the table you will need if you are looking to track your budget month by month. So here, this is a complete cash flow table for month by month analysis. You will have the income listed, then we have a savings, how much is going for the savings. Next, how much is going to be the bills. Next, we have the expenses and how much we are trying to spend for clearing our debts. Now we'll try to come and calculate the left value for each and every month. So the formula is going to be equal to, so my income subtracted by my savings, subtracted by the bills, subtracted by my expenses, subtracted by my debt. So this is going to be the formula. So only the income we'll get it. All the others we are trying to spending. So all the other things are the spendings. So now when I press enter, so here I'll get the complete formula. So you can see for the first month, it's negative minus 867. That means we are trying to spend more than our income. So next month you can see the left amount is more. So like this, we'll be able to easily calculate the left amount completely from January to December. Next, if I want to calculate the individual total values, how much is going to be the income, the total income for this particular year. So I can say is equal to sum, and then I can completely select the range from January to December. So this is going to be the sum value. So I can just try to flash fill this completely over here. So we'll also get what is going to be the left value also. So the total left value for that particular year is $29,000 is going to be the left value. And next, if I want to find the average, so I can say is equal to average, and then I can open the bracket. So I'll completely select from January to December. So here we'll get the average income. So how much is the average income for that particular year? So here you can see what is going to be the average savings, average bills, expense, debt, and also how much is going to be left value, average left value also. We'll just get it with the help of this complete cash flow table. With the help of this one table, you will be able to completely track your entire finances for the particular year. So if you wish to use this particular table and then track your finances, I have given the link in the first comments. Please do check it out. Also, subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.